Hi all, it's Teresa in Gemma's house. Well, I bought this new house, and just like all my previous houses, this house is going to be a project house. This is part of the fun for me of owning a house. I work on projects in my house constantly, and I like trying different things in my decorating. So I have this open concept floor plan, which is the living room, dining area, and kitchen all in one big room. And I thought of this technique called color blocking to define spaces in the one big room. Okay, I'm going to try something different that I haven't seen anywhere else. This is all one big room, the open concept. I actually prefer some separation between my rooms, but I bought this place for the location and the yard, so I had to compromise on some other things. This blue color that I painted in the dining area, I'm going to continue that blue color to about halfway between this wall here. That will visually separate the dining area from the living room area. I might put a thin strip of wood to separate the two colors. I'll decide what color I want to paint that later. And then from here over will be the living room color, which is the soft apricot that I decided on, the darker of these two colors. And I want to see how that works. Okay, so I think it looks interesting. I'm going to start painting the soft apricot color here. And what I'm going to do to seal this edge so the new color doesn't seep under it, I'm going to paint right along here with the first color, the blue. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. It will seal this edge so no more paint can go under. And then I'll paint the soft apricot color here. And that cannot seep under the tape. And then I pull off the tape and I get a nice clean edge. Okay, this is the part I really love. Taking the tape off to see if I did get a clean line. Ah, yes. Okay, so this is what it looked like after I finished painting the two colors on this one wall to try to define the dining area with the blue wall colors. And I decided I did not like it. So I got up and started painting. And I have to say I like it much better with only one color on this back wall. And then this blue wall continues to be my accent wall. And the way I will define the dining area is with a 9x12 area rug that I'll put right here. And the table and bench and chairs will fit on it just perfectly. And that will be right in front of my gallery wall. So my test to see if I could define the dining area with a wall color, well, it didn't work for me. In some applications it might work better, but on this long wall, I'm really happy to have it all one color. So my next project, of course, is to do my masonry wall right here above my faux fireplace. So I hope you got some good ideas to try in your own house. And if you have an application where you think this color blocking technique might work, why don't you give it a try? And let me know how it works for you in your place. And if I can ask you to please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, that really helps my YouTube channel to grow. So thanks a lot for watching. Until next week, bye-bye.